Hello. In this lecture, we will continue the lesson about logical operators. In the previous lecture, we learnt about the and, or, and not operators. In this lecture, we will learn about and also, and, or else. Let's start with and also. And also has almost the same principle as and. But if and also detects that any conditions are false, it will not continue working to evaluate other conditions. It's different from the and operator, which evaluates all conditions. And also is working faster than and. Example: I will use if, then, else statement to evaluate. Here we will use and also for comparison. And also will evaluate whether the first condition is true or not. In this case, 10 is less than 5 is false, so the second condition won't be evaluated. Surely the result is false. Click Start. You see, return is false. This is the principle of and also. Next, I will change here to 10 greater than 5, which is true. Return is true. To sum up, and also evaluates the first condition whether it is true or not. If it is true, the second condition will be evaluated. To be revealed as true, both conditions have to be true. Next, we will learn about or else. I will replace here with or else. The principle of or else is the same as or. But if the first condition is true, it will not evaluate the second condition. It will evaluate the second condition only if the first condition is false. Let's test it. 10 is less than 5 and run. It is true. We will find that 10 is less than 5 is false, so the second condition is evaluated. 10 equals 10 is true, so return true is displayed. Replace less than to greater than and see the result. Return true is displayed because both conditions are true. I will change both conditions to be false. 10 is less than 5, and 10 is greater than 10. Return false should be displayed. The or else working process is faster than or. I will end this lecture here. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.